Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learner Point. In today's video we are going to learn how to install and download Anaconda for Python, which is a famous platform for data scientists. So let's start the video. Please write down Anaconda for Python and press enter. As you press enter, you you have two websites in front of you on your result page. Please click on the world's most popular data science platform website in through open a new window tab. Sorry. So as you click on this one, so directly click on download. As you see that Python 3.9 version 64-bit graphic installer. Its total capacity size is 594 MB. If you have Mac, you can install it from here. If you have other platform, you can click here to download this one. So I have Windows operating system, so I'm going to click on this one, download. As you click download, you see that very bottom of the left corner of this website, the exe file has been started to download. As it finished, I will show you how to run this one. Download has been completed here, so I am going to double click on this to start the installation. See, the pop-up chart is open in front of you. Click on next. I agree. Then check all users. Next. And yes again. So here by default Anaconda is going to be installed here in this folder under program data under C folder. If you want to change this one, you can click on browse and select as per your desired destination or location, but I'm going to with this default setting. It will take 3.5 GB space, and my space is available 33.4 GB, so this is okay. Next. So install. So installation process has been started. It takes a little time. Setup was completed successfully, so I am going to click on next, then again next. So before click on finish, you have to be uncheck this two options and then click on finish. So we have not only download the Anaconda but also install the Anaconda. Let's move back to check the Anaconda on application part. See, you have Anaconda navigator, and also you have Anaconda command prompt. Only Anaconda navigator you are visible at this time, so I am going to go Anaconda navigator by clicking on this navigator. So another updated version of Anaconda is available too. If you want to update this one, it is good, or not you want to update it later. So I will click on no, remind me later. So I'm going to show you how many applications are here. See, data store, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and PyCharm also, and R is also there. So I'm just to launch Jupyter Notebook. It is a web-based interactive computing notebook environment. So you run with this one. Click on launch. So now I'm going to make a first folder, and then I'm going to make a file, and then a sample program where I'm interested to make a new folder in document. So you see, not in Kamatasia, not in this folder. Okay, I'm going to go new and folder. Click on folder. So I have this untitled folder. To rename this one, I'm going to check this one, and here I will get this option rename. Click on this rename. I am going to DigiLab. I'm going to assign this name DigiLab to this folder and rename. After this, I am going to click on this one. Now I am going to open a file under this inside this folder. So go to the new and click on Python. Now a new notebook is open in front of you. You can rename this by directly clicking on this one. So I am going to name this demo 01 and click on rename. So I am going to print a make a program here. Print hello world. So control enter. Something is wrong here. This is control enter. So see, hello world is print here as an output. I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.